Hi there everyone, Lennox here. I am going to go over an alert trade that I sent out last night on November 15th, and I saw a setup on the Canadian Swiss pair and decided to send out an alert to all the members. There were a couple other pairs that were setting up very nicely as well. Anything to do with the Canadian pair were setting up nicely. I'll go over this one, and I'm starting on the daily chart just to show you what I saw and why I decided to take the trade, to send out an alert and take the trade as well. So on the daily chart, a huge down move had occurred, and it then formed a red hammer setup bar. So like I've explained in a number of the webinars, when you see a hammer bar, and also in the rules and guidelines, when you see a hammer bar, you should know now that it's setting up a 1, 2, 3 bottom on the lower time frame. So I go to the 4-hour chart, and you can see that it was setting up here with a spinning top, and it's green. And again, it's portending a price change, a direction change in price. Again, you can see I have marked here a 1, 2, 3 top. That was a really nice setup to targets down to this area. So again, I knew also based on that this move down was over and we should be turning back up. So now I drop down to the hourly chart, and you can see the setup a lot clearer, and a nice 1, 2, 3 bottom was in play. It was steadily moving up, and I was just waiting for a golden cross. The MACD had already confirmed the cross at this point and was moving steadily up, and so I just wanted to again wait for the golden cross and take a position. So when I saw this, and based on the daily and the 4-hour chart setup, I decided to send out an alert last night, and it had just crossed when the alert was sent, and I decided to jump in. So I entered 77,506, which is just about on that red bar here. I entered, and I put a stop in below this bar, I believe, right just below the X. My initial stop was right here. And so I was taking making a very tight stop and hoping that the market didn't come back down and take me out. So it started to move, continued to move up, but this bar came close, I guess, but not quite close enough to take me out. And so it continued on, and I then went to sleep. And this morning when I woke up, I was taken out at my profit target, which was 78,000 on the dot, and so at 78,000, which is right about there. I think it reached about 78,000, which that's the high as 78,009 at this point, and I was taken out at 78,000. So just 9 pips away from higher than my target, and that was a beautiful profit of $4,900, almost $5,000 on 10 lots. So a very, very nice trade. And when I woke up this morning, what I did was I did move my stop up to 77,838, which is just below this bar here. That's the low here is 77,845. I put my stop out just a little lower than that bar, and just in case the market moved against me, I would lock in at least $4,000 in profit. And it did not take me out, and so continued up and to target. So my stop was just about at this area on this bar. And then it moved up and made it to target. So a nice 1, 2, 3 bottom formation. This is again what we're looking for when we're looking for 1, 2, 3 tops, bottoms, I should say. And as you can see on the 4-hour chart, when you're looking for a 1, 2, 3 top, This is the formation we're looking for with with the death cross at this point. MACD punching down and below its waterline, and on the hourly we see MACD, the golden cross and MACD punching up towards this waterline, and so that is the key to the 1, 2, 3, and then we just let the players who are coming in late into the game and seeing this after this move here are jumping in now to push the market up higher, and we just ride it up to our profit target. Okay, I'll do the my other trade in another video. Okay, thank you.